Welcome back to my channel. Hola, hola. Today I have another skincare tool that we're gonna try out here. And back like several months ago, I did a review on a microdermabrasion machine and it got a lot of views. You know, I was surprised. It's one of my top viewed videos in a long time, so hopefully this gets viewed a lot as well, because I feel like this is pretty cool, this little device that I'm going to show you guys. So if you're interested in skincare and interested in skincare tools, then please keep watching. So today I have the Spa Sciences Advanced Skincare Infusion System. So this is the Aero and it looks like this. So this basically, I'm going to wrap it up and then I'll go into full depth description about it. So basically in 10 seconds, let me see. This is a skincare machine. To basically, it's meant to apply your serums and facial oils and skincare products on the face, and it's 7 times better and more effective than using your hands. So this is interesting. Honestly, when Spa Sciences, reached out and was like, we would like to send you a product, this really caught my eye. They have amazing products. If you don't know about Spa Sciences, I will link them here in the description box so you guys could check them out. They have amazing products that I've seen. And yeah, so this one caught my eye. We're gonna try this here. We're gonna see if it really works. So get more into detail. It's supposed to boost skincare product performance. It increases skin brightness, firmness, and hydration. It reduces the visible signs of aging after 1 week of use. Okay, let's see. Over 60% increase in hydration, over 390% increase in tone, over 350% increase in firmness, 500% decrease in signs of visual aging, over 500% increase in brightness, over 60% decrease in the appearance of wrinkles. Okay, so this is gonna be my new buddy because, girl, we're almost 30 and we got some aging going on, and girl, I'm ready to be old here around the face. So let's try this out. It has thermal warming, which is the treatment head warms to 107 Fahrenheit to create temporary thermal pore dilation to maximize skincare absorption. Okay. It has sonic movement, 300,000 movements per minute, provides superior absorption of skincare actives while stimulating collagen production. Okay, maybe I don't have to drink my collagen anymore because, girl, collagen is expensive. Then it has a negative ion infusion. Negatively charged electrons form a circuit and attract positively charged skincare ingredients to flow into the epidermis for increased absorption, promoting healthy, hydrated, younger looking skin. Okay, so that is pretty cool. I'm hoping this works because, as I said, I'm only getting older. I'm almost 30. The signs of aging are there. I need that hydration right now for the cold weather. And yeah, I need that firmness. I need all that good stuff that this describes. So in the box, you get your little device, and this is how she looks. She is super cute, little, chic little machine. So it looks like that. And basically, this is the head. This is what gives you that good stuff once you start rubbing it into the face. So once we take off this red sticker, then it starts working and all that good stuff. You have to charge it, of course, so I charged it overnight, and it comes with a USB charger for your device, which obviously is needed. And is there anything else that we need to talk about? I think I mentioned everything once I read that. What you're basically supposed to do is wash your face and apply whatever serums, skincare products, or facial oils, or whatever you use, moisturizers, and you let that dry. And you need to have a dry, clean surface, obviously with moisturizers and the serums like I mentioned. So I'm going to apply a oil today. I did wash my face already, and I used a toner, and I what is going on with this? And I applied, I think a moisturizer, yes. But I didn't apply a facial oil or serum. So I'm just gonna apply a facial oil right here on camera so you guys can see that I am applying something. We're gonna let that dry a little bit because obviously a facial oil is not gonna dry completely, but you let it dry for a little bit so that it's not that wet, and then you go in with the device. So we're gonna let this seep into the skin a little bit. And yes, I think we're ready. I feel like the facial oil has seeped into the skin enough, and I'm going to take off. Ooh, that thing, I just pressed it by accident with my finger and it vibrated. Okay, so that thing is on point. So this is how it looks. It's super smooth. To clean this little area, all you need to do is wipe it. So maybe you can use a baby wipe. I'm not gonna say, well, put it on the water, but you can wipe it with a baby wipe and then go over it with a cloth just to make sure it's clean. You maybe want to go over it with some alcohol, because alcohol obviously is a good germ cleaner and gets rid of all types of germs. So maybe with a little napkin you wipe that with alcohol and we're good to go. So this is the little head here. Let's start. I'm gonna start on my cheek area. Oh my god, I'm scared. But it's not doing anything. Okay, so there it goes. I had to like turn it on with my finger. So now I'm going to start here on the cheek area. Oh wow, that feels amazing. It is warming up. I already feel that, and it is vibrating. Oh my god, this feels amazing. Where have you been all my life? This is like a massage for your face. Maybe for the under eye area. Oh my god, you guys don't even know how I need this under here. Wow, this warms up really. It's not like hot, but it does warm up. In the beginning it wasn't as hot, but now I feel it. Wow. This feels amazing. So now I'm gonna go to the chin area and massage this area. Wow. Your girl's gonna be using this a lot. Okay, let's go to the cheek area. I really like the way it feels on the cheeks, honestly. And if it's gonna firm these cheeks, and I don't need Botox, girl, it's firm these cheeks. So it says you're supposed to see a big difference within 2 weeks. You're supposed to feel hydration within a week. Now with the colder weather, I'll take anything. Oh yeah, this feels good. I will link price, details on it, and everything down in the description box. This was obviously gifted to me, so I don't know the price of it. I should have looked at the price before going in to the video, but yeah, I'll link it down below. Now let's go to the forehead. Oh yeah, oh my god, this would be so good when you have a headache. You do 2 in 1. You can moisturize your face and then give your head a little massage right here in the temples. Usually you have that bad headache. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Oh wow, my face feels so soft. Okay. So I'm gonna try this on the neck as well. Let's see. I'm definitely gonna need this on the neck, because when you start aging, you notice it most on the neck. Wow. Oh my goodness. Instantly. And I forgot to apply a moisturizer on my neck, and it feels so smooth. I feel like I applied moisturizer on my neck. It feels amazing, honestly. Wow. Girl, I'm gonna be using this every day, I swear. This is right before bed. Applying this would be perfect. You wake up with nice smooth skin, so your makeup application in the morning is flawless. Now that we're done here, because I could keep doing this all day, this feels so amazing, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts and what I think about this. Thoughts on this so far, I can't tell you more. I may come back in 2 weeks to see if it really made a difference in my face and make a quick video, like an update. So far, I honestly feel my skin so smooth, like a baby's butt. Like I mentioned, I forgot to apply moisturizer on my neck, and I honestly feel a difference. Like, it's insane. My skin feels so moisturized. It feels so hydrated. It feels like, oh my god, it's amazing. Honestly, this thing is crazy. I feel like my face is brighter just by one use. I feel like if I keep using this, girl, my skin is going to be on point, because lately my skin has been, like, I don't know, I guess it's the cold weather, my skin has been acting up a little bit. So I think within 2 weeks my skin is gonna be crazy flawless and looking so much better. And yeah, I mean, my face feels amazing. I wish you guys could feel my skin right now. It feels like a baby's butt, honestly. It is so soft. I haven't had a product that I really liked in a long time, and this little device gadget thing is gonna be my favorite. You know what, let's just keep using it, because this thing is so good. And the way it feels on the skin, the way it massages and it heats up, I could do this all day, like I said. So yeah, I honestly feel like any issues that I've had, or maybe like the signs of aging, maybe if I start using it under the eye area a lot, it will help improve that area. I feel like this is a must-have if you have mature skin. Maybe if you're over 30, I think this is a device that you need in your life. This is really, really good. Honestly, with just one use, I feel a difference in my skin with the hydration, the brightness, and I feel like letting my skin breathe a little bit. I don't know, I feel like it is like firm, you know what I mean? I don't even know, I guess it's the heat on the skin, I don't know, but this thing is good so far. So like I said, I will be linking everything down below so you guys can check it out, and I'll give you little updates in like 2 weeks. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.